What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this wine area, this wine appellation that is part of the Rhône in the southern France, but we are much more towards the west, towards the Languedoc, still on the coast of the Mediterranean, still with wines that are made with the typical Rhône blends, Grenache, Syrah, Mourgues, and as far as white wines, Grenache Blanc, or Marsanne, Roussanne, sometimes a bit of Viognier. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Costières de Nîmes. So the first S is not silent, so we generally say Costieres. The S at the end of Costieres is silent, so do not say Costieres, but rather Costieres, Costières de Nîmes. The S at the end of Nîmes is silent. The I in Nîmes sounds like a E, so not an I. So do not say Costieres de Nimes, but rather Costières de Nîmes. Costières de Nîmes. Costières de Nîmes. If you want to learn more about wine, you found the right channel. If you'd like to learn more about Rhône wines, here are videos that you should watch next. I'll see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.